learning Chinese language, learning a word every day. Today, we are learning about 高冷. First, let's watch an animation about the word 高冷.
那个新同学看起来很高冷，高冷是又高又冷吗？不是，高冷是形容人看起来很冷淡，不爱说话，不容易接近。他平时不爱笑，也不怎么聊天，大家都说他很高冷。原来是这样，不是说天气冷，也不是说个子高。对，高冷是一种气质。别看他外表高冷，其实他内心很热心。我明白了，高冷就是看起来很酷、很冷淡，不爱亲近人。没错，我有时候不说话，别人会不会觉得我高冷？
Today, we will learn the usage of the word 高冷 in Chinese. Before learning the usage, let's read it 3 times together. 高冷, 高冷, 高冷. The Chinese word 高冷 is a popular internet word. It means cool, distant, indifferent, not talkative, and not easy to get close to. First scenario, 很高冷. Let's read it 3 times together. 很高冷, 很高冷, 很高冷. It means very cold and distant. Second scenario, 高冷的人. Let's read it 3 times together. 高冷的人, 高冷的人, 高冷的人. It means a distant and cool person. Third scenario, 外表高冷. Read with me 3 times. 外表高冷, 外表高冷, 外表高冷. It means looking cold and indifferent on the outside. Scenario 4, 高冷气质. Let's read it 3 times together. 高冷气质, 高冷气质, 高冷气质. It means cool and distant temperament. Scenario 5, 别太高冷. Read it 3 times with me. 别太高冷, 别太高冷, 别太高冷. It means don't be too distant. The opposite of 高冷 is 亲切, which means friendly and kind. In daily life, 高冷 is often used to describe people's appearance, temperament, and behavior. Okay, that's all about the usage of the Chinese word 高冷. Here's a suggestion for you. When learning Chinese, you can try to give yourself an authentic Chinese name. In this way, when interacting with Chinese people in the future, they will be more likely to remember you and leave a better impression on them. If you want to choose a Chinese name, you can watch my other videos or visit directly www.chinesename.me. Choose a genuine and meaningful Chinese name for yourself. All right, that's all for today's study. Goodbye.